So while things are expected to stay below severe limits today, there still is the chance for some small hail and winds. And we also saw severe weather. We had 5 reports of a tornado, so 5 confirmed tornadoes. Portions of southeastern Nebraska not included in this winter weather advisory could see about an inch or less of total snow accumulation. A little bit hazy here in the capital city, but can see the capital a lot better than we have over the last couple of days. If you are anywhere near the Alma Creek area as well as Overton, please be getting in your tornado safe place. That will be your basement or the most interior part of your home. Light to moderate rain kind of stretching up from Falls City towards the Omaha area.
My teeth are chattering here. It is freezing outside.
A better chance is going to be in the eastern half of the state, while more of that spotty activity traced to a 10th for portions of western Nebraska. So average today was 53 degrees. As we saw, we were 72, so about 19 degrees warmer than average. Girl dinner, and my girl dinner is popcorn. Popcorn for dinner. Love it. High pressure will start to dominate over the region as we head through the overnight hours, so clear, cool conditions expected Sunday night. 90s become the mid 90s, which becomes the upper 90s, and which could possibly become heat index values of 100 to 105 degrees. I was stuck out there in the pea-sized hail in the rain for quite a little bit until somebody else rescued me. Southeastern Nebraska, more rain, wintry mix at first.
Can't rule out an isolated shower or sprinkle, but I think most of us should be dry.
We did have a cold front move through yesterday afternoon, and we're reaping the benefits of that today. A great movie day to spend inside dancing and singing to Taylor. Welcome back. It is 6:12 and we are less than 4 hours away from the big game. Our Husker game day forecast sponsored by Anderson Wealth and Retirement as the Husker take on my Iowa Hawkeyes. It's going to be very cold. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s for tailgating as well as kickoff. Our wind chill values in the teens for tailgate and kickoff. We will be cloudy, breezy, maybe a little bit on the breezy side, but not. No, I wouldn't categorize it as breezy, but 8 to 18 miles per hour. And then post game, still not warming up to freezing, but below freezing in the upper 20s, lower 30s, and we bring back the chance for some flurries as well. So you're definitely going to need to bundle up for the game in the course of the day today and for this morning. We are mostly cloudy in the capital city. Temperatures in the lower 20s, 23 at the airport, 22 at the studio. Feels like 9 degrees. Northeast breeze around 18 miles per hour. It's very cold out there. One of the coldest feels like temperatures we have seen yet this season. Temperatures across the state, teens and lower 20s, 23 in Lincoln, 20 in Norfolk, 17 in Valentine, 19 in North Platte. As for feels like temperatures, single digits, lower teens. Feels like 5 in Ainsworth, 3 in O'Neill, 7 in Kearney, 9 in Grand Island, and 9 here in Lincoln, 13 in Beatrice. We can thank these winds for that 10 to 20 miles per hour from generally the northeast. That's where they're going to stay as we head throughout the course of the day today. So wind chill values going to struggle to get out of the 20s as we head through the course of the day today. As for our winter weather alerts, continuing to see a lot of activity happening in portions of the southwestern half of the state. Winter storm warning for western Nebraska through Saturday, as well as winter weather advisory for portions of central and southwestern Nebraska. A new addition for south central areas noon today until midnight Saturday night. So going to continue to see that snow spread across western Nebraska. We've seen that happen this morning, spreading into portions of western, now south central Nebraska and up towards the northeast. Generally light snow at this time. However, there's pockets of heavier snow. If we take a closer look at portions of the southwest, we are seeing some heavier pockets of snow towards the Binkelman area and up towards northern areas of Lincoln County, towards the Stapleton area as well. Some pockets of maybe some heavier to moderate snow in the Broken Bow area as well. And we have seen conditions deteriorate in portions of the western half of the state. An hour ago, we only saw deteriorating conditions in the Panhandle. As the snow has spread, we've seen now partially to completely covered roads in portions of western Nebraska with low visibility, so please be careful on the roads this morning. Snow will continue to spread across the area. This model not particularly doing the best job showing northern Nebraska snow chances and the snow that's currently happening there, but I think northern Nebraska sees the chance for snow through the course of the day today. As we head into the afternoon, we start to see some breaks in that snow coverage, but I think in the afternoon, evening hours, we see the chance for some flurries in eastern Nebraska. As we head through the overnight hours, this moves east, the snow moves east and out towards the northeast. And then as we head into the afternoon, Saturday, we see the better chance for some light snow in portions of southeastern Nebraska. That continues through the overnight as well. So trace to an inch lightest snowfall amounts in portions of the eastern part of the state increase as we head towards the west. Heaviest snow amounts 4 to 8 inches in western Nebraska, the Panhandle, 3 to 6 for North Platte and McCook area as well. High temperatures today going to be chilly. Teens, 20s, lower 30s, all of us except for maybe 1 or 2 below the freezing mark. 30 in Lincoln, 25 in O'Neill, 20 in Thetford. And then as we head into Saturday morning, single digits to the 20s, 21 in Lincoln, 19 in Norfolk, and 0 in Sydney. As for high temperatures Saturday, maybe 1 or 2 degrees warmer, but still chilly, mid-20s and into the lower 30s, 31 in Lincoln, 32 in Beatrice, and 32 in Grand Island. A chilly morning, cold morning, I should say, is ahead in the lower to mid-20s by 9 o'clock. Wind chill in the lower to mid-teens. As we head into the afternoon, still cloudy and cold, upper 20s, slight chance for some flurries, and then I think isolated flurries will be possible as we head into the evening hours in the upper 20s. We're only making it to 30 this afternoon. Better chance for snow on Saturday, lower 30s as well. A little bit warmer on Sunday, but breezy, upper 30s. The 40s and 50s return with lots of sunshine and quiet conditions as we head into next week.